1,2,3 Japan! It's Manat.
I'm Alan.
It's dinner time and I searched internet which is the famous Filipino restaurant and I saw pancake restaurant's picture and looks so good. So I wanna try to eat pancake restaurant.
And it's just right there.
Yeah! Have you been to pancake?
Yeah, I've been
Really?
there. It's really
Is it
good.
good?
Really, really good.
But I'm so curious, pancake restaurant have only pancake or not? Today I'm gonna try the pancake restaurant. Yay!
Yeah.
For the first time. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and follow my Instagram. Hello. Let's go. We will sit down and we got menu, so let's open it. Yes, pancake, of course. They have waffle. I see they have not only pancake but also pasta, fried chicken. Oh, so many kind of foods. Wow, dessert. But I'm so weird because pancake usually I think for breakfast it's night time, but they have pancake also. I'm gonna try to eat pancake and another menu. Let's pancake. How about another menu?
Meals, we have the chicken, the Salisbury steak. We have also the pancake combination.
Pancake combination. And this one. Yes, the pancake is come. I'm so glad. I know Pancake House, but I have never tried it. So I'm so glad. Smells so good too. I'm gonna put some maple syrup. Wow! So wow! いただきます。This is #1 pancake. Really, it's so fluffy. This is butter and a little bit salty, and this pancake is so mild taste. This one is sweet and this one is salty. So you don't have to bite because it's so fluffy. Oh my god, I cannot stop eating. Every time I eat this one, I feel like so impressed. Oh my god, this is #1 pancake. I love sweet food, but this is not strong flavor, but it's so good. I think from kids to older people can eat this one and we must love it. They have not only pancake but also like sausage, scrambled egg, so I should try it. Wow! いただきます。I'm so surprised because the taste of sausage is different from Japan one. Japanese sausage is like a simple taste, like a pork and salt and sausage taste. But this one is, I feel like so hard flavor. I don't know, I have so many flavor. Pancake is sweet, so after eating sausage, I feel like I wanna eat sweet pancake more. I have scrambled egg. This one is so fluffy too. I thought this one is hard, but no, it's so light flavor. You can eat this one not only nighttime but also morning too.
Alright.
You have tried to eat pancakes before, right?
Yeah, Jollibee's pancake.
Oh, how about here?
It's my first time to try their pancake. So yeah, let me try. So fluffy. Really good. The fluffiness is something that I really love.
It's like a marshmallow.
Yeah. Right?
Do you like it also?
Yeah, I do. Maybe I can stop eating. It's really good. Okay.
How about sausage?
Oh, let me try. Wow. Yeah, I agree. Its taste is something different, something that I've never tried before. Really good. Bushi.
This tastes like a so expensive taste, like fancy style. So good. Masarap. I am good at eating fried chicken, but I believe Jollibee one is #1 in the Philippines. But I was so curious, how about pancake restaurant? Is it good or not? So I ordered this one. Can I try this one? Wow! いただきます。 crispy. I can record like ASMR. So crispy. I feel like I can taste lemon flavor. This chicken is not too oily. I think it's good for health. I love gravy sauce. I should put. Itadakimasu. This gravy sauce is like a fancy taste. It's not strong taste. Sometimes if I put so many gravy sauce, I feel like I need more another taste. But no, I can eat forever. I love rice, gravy sauce and chicken. Masarap ramen. Personally speaking, this one is a little bit like Japanese fried chicken style, so I feel not special taste. So I feel like Jollibee fried chicken is more like Filipino style, but it's so good too. Chicken is so soft too. You should try the chicken one too.
Okay, I'll try.
It's so good.
Oh wow, it's so crispy. I can hear. It smells so good as well. Yeah, I agree. Not too oily.
Good?
Really, really good. I can feel like there's a lemon taste.
Yeah, me too. I feel like this one is like a Japanese style.
Really?
Compared to Japanese and Filipino fried chicken, Filipino fried chicken is more oily, juicy, and strong taste. But this one is not so. Like a healthy style. And so crispy.
I like the sour aftertaste. It's
Yeah,
really good.
it's so fresh. Did you try gravy sauce?
Tried.
I was so surprised because I have never tasted this kind of gravy sauce before.
Yeah, this gravy is totally different from what I have tasted before.
Yeah, totally different from Jollibee.
Jollibee, McDonald's, very different gravy. I wonder what they put it there.
Like a stew. It's not strong taste. I like this texture. It's so creamy. Tastes like a lychee style. You can put the gravy and rice together. So good.
You know, in the Philippines, most Filipino people love the skin of the chicken. Yeah, so good.
The crispiness,
Yeah, the crispiness.
is so good. It's a restaurant famous for Filipino.
Yeah, a lot of Filipinos come here.
Really, because I searched it on Japanese internet, so I feel like for Japanese visitors, this restaurant is famous. I was so curious. For Filipino is also famous.
A lot of Filipinos come here, although it's a bit expensive, but when it comes to food, nothing is expensive. You buy what you want.
Because tastes so good.
Yeah, exactly.
If I eat this one morning time, I feel like I get so many energy.
Very perfect for morning, but in other times, it's also good.
Japanese people really like eating pancakes, so I feel so good.
Because I heard in Japan, pancakes are really famous.
After school, we go to like pancake restaurant and eat some pancake and take a picture. How about Filipino after school?
After school, we go home and sleep.
So sad.
But for example, after school, it's almost 5 or 6. Our mothers prepare our food already, so we automatically go for dinner.
I love the Filipino take care of their family a lot. So they are so close to each other. It's so sweet.
Yeah, we're known for close family ties.
Last bite.
That's mine.
ごちそうさまでした。That's all. How was it?
Yeah, so fun.
Yeah, and I'm so full now. The chicken and pancake so good, but personally the pancake was so amazing. Like amazing pancake.
Really amazing.
I wanna bring it to Japan, but impossible.
Is there Pancake House in Japan?
I don't think so. I don't know. I eat pancake in the Philippines. It makes more delicious. If you have any recommendation of Pancake House, please let me know. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and follow my Instagram. Manaharo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Wow.